Hey YouTube, welcome to another video from Skinny Medic. In this video, I'm going to bring you a cool product from Stern Defense. This is a great item if you're storing your AR, you're traveling with your AR. It's going to make it a little more compact, a little more easier to store in a vehicle, in a backpack. This is made by Stern Defense. This is their rapid attach buttstock adapter. I really like this product, and we're going to do a quick review for you. Unfortunately, I can't show you how I assembled the Stern Defense stock adapter to the AR-15. That would violate YouTube's guidelines and I would lose my YouTube channel. I can tell you the directions are super easy, no big deal. I'm a paramedic. I know just enough about guns to be dangerous, and I was able to do it. The only thing you need is a ratchet. That's it, no big deal. All the tools, everything else you need is included in the box, so clear directions, no big deal. Easy enough, you don't have to be a gunsmith. So you have a little pressure switch right here that releases it. Press it and rotate and comes back off. Insert it, pressure switch back in and locks back into place. So the Stern Defense RAB-AD is designed, manufactured, and produced here in the USA. It's made up of a 70-75 aluminum body with steel internals. It weighs 3.5 ounces and adds about 1.25 inches to your pull. I just lowered my stock just a little bit. So another unfortunate thing is I can't put a link down to Stern Defense because of YouTube. Appreciate it. But you just Google Stern Defense. You'll find their website and you'll find this product. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this video helps. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember the right gear and the right training.